How y'all doing today? And I want to talk to you motherfuckers about bills. Alright? Now, bills come in many different shapes, forms, fashions. You know, sometimes we might not even know that we are paying bills, but there they are, right there in our faces, you know. And I want to talk to y'all about bill collectors. You know, motherfuckers that call your phone knowing good and goddamn well that they probably ain't even paid the same fucking bill that they trying to harass you for not paying. You know, I just got one thing to say about them motherfuckers. You know, it's always important when they call your phone to just, you know, do what I do. Shit, switch your voice up. You know, I go, when they call me, they go, hello, is this Mr. Phillips? And the first thing I do is I get deep down, I dig deep down in myself. And I go, oh no, he no live here no more. No. You call for him right now. No, he no live here no more. No, but we're calling to speak to Mr. Phillips. No, he no live here no more. Motherfucker, you order ham-fried rice. They were like, no, sir, we did not order ham-fried rice. We called to speak to Mr. Phillips. And I play that role with their ass until they get frustrated and shit. and then they get mad. You know what I'm saying? And in turn, there you go. It's handled. You know what I'm saying? Just switch your voice up on their ass. You know, when they send them letters and shit. One thing I like to do is, sometimes I rip the shit up. I just rip it up. I know what it look like. I know what the envelope look like. I know what a bill looks like. You know what I'm saying? I done received numerous amounts of these specific types of mail. So I know what a bill looks like. You know, you can tell if it's a bill or not. For one, it's in a regular looking ass envelope. Two, it's got your first, last, middle initial, your previous address on the motherfucker with a little bitty yellow stamp down at the bottom of the shit that say return sender, new address on it. You know what I'm saying? You already know what it is. So I got hip to him. You know, I started just writing down he don't live here no more and putting the shit back in my mailbox. You know, because sometimes that shit just get aggravating, you know. And that's just my tip for y'all today. My tip on how to deal with bill collectors. You know, peace. Fuck.